Good morning. How's everybody doing? So, I decided to take out this car today. And she's actually looking really clean after I just wiped it down. Let's do a cold start. Wow, I actually have some gas. Imagine if the i3 sounded like that. Instant classic. Some guy just asked if this was a Lexus at the gas station. How dare he? M3 Lexus, come on. You know, this car is so much better than the F80 M3. I'm sorry to say it. It's just so good up here. The way the engine sounds, the DCT, everything just really drives so nicely on these canyons. I think the main thing that differentiates this car versus the F80, and not to say that the F80 M3 isn't good, I think this and this is exactly what this is made for. For tuners, you know, the F80 M3 is a lot of power, and I think it does a lot of things really well, but putting down that power up here in the canyons isn't a thing that it does very well compared to this car. With that being said though, I did put this car up for sale. I'm asking a super steep price, and it's because I really love this car, and if it doesn't sell, I'm perfectly fine with that. I think I would be really sad if it did sell, but you know, with COVID and the car market, I can ask a couple thousand more than what's the average going rate with this car. I think for like an 18 with similar miles maybe 2 years ago, it would have been like 25k, but I'm gonna ask 35,000. Really steep, and you know, some people are probably gonna be like, man, that's you're asking arm and leg for this car. But like I said, if no one wants to buy it, that's fine with me. I don't really care. I love this car, and I'm actually in the process of possibly getting a lift in my garage, but you know, that's only if I do keep this car. One of the things that I kind of want to make a goal is, if I do sell this car, get a Porsche GT3. Woo! Nice. Like I said, I really want a Porsche GT3, like a 15, even if it's a PDK, because any of the 18s with a 4.0 and a manual is just really way too expensive for me. I'm also possibly looking at a Cayman GT4, but I feel like the GT3 will retain more value over long term. And if I do get a GT3, I would have to sell this car and get rid of my blue F80 M3. Porsche GT3, that's on my mind right now. If you look at one of my old videos, maybe like from 2015 or like 14, I had said when I actually got this car that I wanted a F80 M3, and I got it. So just trying to speak it into existence. And I feel like those cars will definitely go up in value. Definitely hold value. Just like this car, I think I bought it for like $41,999 with tax way back in like 14-15. So if I'm asking 35 and I've had the car for almost 5 years, I think that's money well spent. So anyways, you guys, like and subscribe, okay?